Okay, in this step, we're going to verify the scheduler. From the overview board, let's remove all of the cards from the relevant lists. You can do that by going to the right of the card, clicking the pen icon to edit, and then selecting the archive option. That will remove the card from the list. Okay, for the next step, we're going to edit the script to have a trigger that runs at a different time, one that is closer to our current time. I'm going to use my current time. You'll need to set yours. If you're going to run this test, you'll need to set yours to a time just a couple of minutes out from where you are right now. So I'm going to go into automation. Don't be concerned about going into edit the script within the context of the aggregate board, because the scheduler will be the one actually running this, and it will run it within the context of the relevant project boards. All we want to do here is update the script so that the trigger is updated. It doesn't affect it that we're modifying this while we're in the overview step. We're not running anything, we're just modifying the script. So find the aggregator script, and right next to the rocket ship run now icon is another pen icon for editing. We're going to select that. We're going to remove the trigger by clicking the trash can icon and button to the right of the trigger. And then that'll bring us back over to select a trigger. Because it's scheduled, you'll always need to add a trigger. So we'll go ahead and add a trigger. And I'm going to pick something just a couple of minutes out from where I am, which currently is about 3:08 p.m. Just add that. Then I'll go to save. We'll get an update asking us if we want to update this on all the boards, because it's enabled on other boards, in this case other than the one we're in, which is overview. I'm just going to select update on all boards because we do want this to take effect for all of them. Okay, so at 3:08 p.m. Local to my time, the automation should run. So now that that's saved, I'm going to go back out to overview. We should be able to see this update in real time. Okay, and it looks like it has started. Finish movie review was done first, then spring cleaning, and then vacation prep, as you can see from the lists that were added to the front. All right, well, that's a pretty good test. We can now feel reasonably confident that the automation will run at a time that we anticipate based on what we set for a trigger within this particular rule. And with that step, we're done. And now we can have an aggregate board that shows us all of our in-progress tasks. Thanks for hanging in to the end. I hope you find it helpful.